are the new Sennheiser HD400 Pro reference headphones. This open back design allows you to mix sound correctly so that it sounds just like it does when your listeners hear it. These aren't noise cancelling, but they do create a natural and accurate sound which makes them perfect for monitoring, mixing, editing, as well as everyday listening. But they won't really work if you want to do any recording or if you're listening to something embarrassing on the train. The design is lightweight, just 240 grams, and the padding alongside the velour covering means that you can wear these all day with no issues at all. And adding to that ease of use, Sennheiser have included a straight cable as well as a longer coiled cable, so no matter how and where you're listening, the HD400 Pros aren't cumbersome. Inside there is a 120mm angled transducer which offers high power whilst a dampening system minimises any distortion, giving the listener clean bass tones, so these can be used for precise monitoring. If you'd like to find out more, then make sure to pop onto the website where we've got a ton of info on the new Sennheiser HD400 Pro referencing headphones.